Melissa Huckabee, suspected of raping and killing 8-year-old Sandra Cantu, set to face off in court tomorrow. The 28-year-old Sunday school teacher and single mom is being held without bail. Tomorrow, she will be arraigned on charges of murder with the special circumstances of kidnapping and rape with a foreign object. She could face life in prison or possibly even the death penalty if convicted of this horrific crime. Joining me now to preview tomorrow's intense legal battle, Joanna Greenwald, criminal defense attorney. Joanna, what can we expect to see tomorrow? Do you think Huckabee will fight these charges?
Absolutely, all day, every day, she must. To get straight to the point, two things occurred in a motion filed with the court. The court, one, ruled for a gag order, which essentially closes the court, and they cannot make statements, lawyers on either side. So the judge ruled for a gag order in favor for the defendant, and now the judge has yet to rule, and they're waiting on that ruling to exhume the child's body for the defense to have the ability to have their own medical examiner examine the child's body for any evidence of rape or sexual misconduct.
Well, there has been a report, and this is a new report. It's an update on that story, where we have heard the defense has decided not to seek the exhumation of the body for the second autopsy. And to a lot of people, that indicated that perhaps they were essentially not going to fight the facts of the case and could be headed toward not guilty by reason of insanity. What's your analysis of that?
I'm not sure if that necessarily is true unless something has been leaked or found out from the prosecution side to the defense side, that the prosecution alerted to the defense that they have a lot more than just what the medical examiner has told them. Because please understand, if they fight and they are able to prove that a rape did not occur, then the capital charge, if convicted, if being a capital case, meaning facing death penalty or life in prison without parole, goes bye-bye. So that's why it's so important that if they decide not to exhume...
Well, that's why people think that maybe she'll go for not guilty by reason of insanity. And that, in other words, not contesting the facts of the case, but saying, I was cuckoo.
No, and see, this is where a big problem is, Jane. When you have not guilty by reason of insanity, defense lawyers use that, but please understand, maybe 1% use it, and within that 1%, there's only a small percentage within that 1% that are successful in using that as a defense.
Okay, stay on top of it. That is tonight's Top of the Block. Thank you so much for that, Joanna.